Welcome this video. Video title is Craft Beautiful Craftwood Art Project for Home Decor. Introducing in the real of home decor. There are ever growing appreciation for the rustic and the natural craftwork with its weather rustic charm and unique shade have emerged as a popular middle for enthusiasts and interior decoration like for wall and to furniture price craftwork art often a merry of create possibility to inflow your living space with coastal, elegant, and original allium. We explored some inspire craftwood art project that will add a touch of natural artist of your house. Craftwood wall hands, one of the simplest yet most take away to incorporating craftwood into your home decor is by creating and wall hen. Start by collect an assessment of craftwood price is vibrant, shaped, and size. Arrange theme in a various place. Composed. Keep in middle the palace and flow of the design. One, you are stiff with the agreement. Use hot cast or a stood the price together. You have add possibility like bring for a personalization touch and your master price on a ballast valve instead elevate the impression of any room. Craft wood mirror transforming and ordering mirror into the stunning focal point with the add of craft wood card. Buildings be by select a room middle of your deck size agreement craft wood branch of smart price area the promise of the middle theme with stunning experience with different layout and a harmonium balance and textile and scenery. One, the craft wood is stand active, have your rainbow middle in an interest away bathroom or living room to represent the beauty of natural within your house. Craft wood lamp. Illuminate your home with the wall glow of craft wood lamp. Have companion for the functional in profile harmony begun by select the lamp base decade for sub your aesthetic then collect craftwood price and very long and shaved to the base. Agree the craftwood area, the lamp base toting theme in price with stunning and wall for an add touch consider incorporating LED lights for add to enhance the embrace of your lamp, whether placed on the bedside table or used as a statement price in the living room and craftwood lamp add a touch of natural enhance. Thank you for watching any this video.